Hey friends, today we're making leopard print ornaments. Now the items that you need to make these ornaments are some glass, globe, or plastic balls. You'll need some kind of a clear top coat. This glitter packet is from Dollar Tree, and I found that one little envelope is enough to do one ornament. And I love this color combination. Then you'll need a permanent marker and a metallic marker. Now, first things first, we're going to pop this little cap off here, and that's going to enable us to pour the clear coating down inside the ornament and then place the glitter inside as well. Now, I like to use one of these small paper cups. It's just really easy to manipulate and pour that liquid down inside of the ornament. I just pour it in there. And sometimes I put too much because we're going to be able to turn it over and drain the excess right back into the container. But first you want to give it a good shake. Make sure everything is coated all around because that's what the glitter is going to be sticking to. Then turn it right back over and drain it into the cup, which will then pour right back into the container. Now I usually let it drain for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's still going to be sticky enough for the glitter to adhere inside, but it's going to prevent pooling if you have too much liquid in the ornament. Now I use another paper cup to insert the glitter into the ornament. Just want to pour that in there. Then once we get it inside, we're going to just shake it all around. Make sure that there's glitter touching all parts of that inside surface. Just give it a good shake and it'll coat up really, really well. Now once you've got it all coated on the inside, we're just going to invert it back over one of those paper cups and let it completely dry. Now I left mine overnight just to make sure that it was fully dried. Now for the cap, you could leave it just as is and insert it back into the ornament once it dries. But I prefer to color mine, and I find the best solution to do that is just with a Sharpie marker. And then just insert that cap right back into the top of the ornament. Now it's time for the fun part. We're going to add the leopard print to the outside of this ornament. We're going to take that permanent marker and highlight the certain areas with the metallic marker. This is very simple, not hard at all, and let me show you just exactly how to do it. Now we're going to start first with the black marker, and I've looked at different types of leopard print, and they basically seem to be kind of a C shape or an elongated shape. So I'm just going to start here and just maybe draw a simple little C shape and do them in different directions, place them all around. You know, just have fun with it. It's leopard print, it's not perfect, and like I said, it's super easy. So just make a couple of the black areas here. And I'm not going to do the whole thing, I'm just going to show you a few here. Now we're going to switch and add the gold accents. And I love this metallic marker from Dollar Tree. It's just super bright. I really like it, and it's perfect for this. Now when I've looked at leopard print, I've just kind of noticed there's a gold dot on one side maybe, and then just an elongated piece on the other side of each black spot. So that's what I'm doing here, just putting those gold accents on. They don't have to be perfect. You may not even like the way I'm doing it, but it's just so simple. Do it how you like it, and I promise you it's going to look cute. Okay, guys, just look how awesome this is. I love it. I think the gold with the black is just perfect, and there were so many other colors too in that glitter pack that worked well together. So I did 2 gold, 2 white, and 2 of the rose gold. I just love them. Now, you could take these and make a set, put them right back in the containers that they came in, and give it as a set for a Christmas present. I just think that would be beautiful. Now, I did do different color caps on each ornament. The white, I put a gold cap, and the rose gold, I put a gold cap. Whereas you saw, I used black on the gold ornament. So I think that this is just so perfect. Great gift, great hostess gift. Everyone loves leopard print. Now, there are a couple of ways that you could display these if you decide to keep them for yourself. I chose to place mine on a tree that I got from Hobby Lobby along with some leopard print leaves. Or you could just place them in like a dough bowl or something there on your tabletop, and it would look lovely. This was so much fun. Please give us a follow. We have lots of great ideas to share with you. Until next time, so long.